Meta has uncovered the Oakley Meta Vanguard AI sports glasses, designed specifically for adventure seekers and fitness enthusiasts who want smart eyewear that can keep up with extreme activity. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your hub of the latest tech updates. Let's jump into the specs already because unlike Meta's more casual Ray-Ban smart glasses, the Vanguards replace traditional lenses with a removable prismatic visor and feature a center 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera capable of 3K video. So it's basically an AI-powered GoPro built into stylish, durable eyewear. These glasses offer a secure 3 points to stay on during intense movement, backed by an IP67 rating for water and dust resistance. Its enhanced speakers deliver louder sound, ensuring you don't miss music or Meta AI responses, even in noise. And that's not all. The glasses come with a new customizable action button on the left for quick access to preset functions to avoid accidental presses during active use. The star of the show, Meta AI integration. It allows users to capture photos and videos hands-free and check real-time health stats by Garmin Watch Sync. Speaking of stats, the glasses recognize voice commands without the usual "Hey Meta" phrase, like simply saying stats is enough to see your latest heart rate or workout progress. But there's more. Video features include interval recording, slow motion, and hyperlapse modes, perfect for capturing action-packed moments. And if you're thinking about the battery life, it's up to 9 hours. The Oakley Meta Vanguards will be out on October 21st in just $499. So if you're looking for a high-tech, sporty alternative to conventional smart glasses, Oakley Meta Vanguards is your choice. So, are you gonna get these? Share your thoughts in the comments and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.